Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek, and in today's guide video I will show you how you can move or transfer your files from one Google Drive account to another without having to manually download and then re-upload them to another account. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, then make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. How to move or transfer files from one Google Drive account to another. So you might have a file on your Google Drive, and without having them to download and re-upload to other account, you simply want to share or transfer those files to your other Google Drive account, but you're not being able to figure out how. Well, the most simplest explanation is the easy one. So what you can do is simply actually share the files. So the basic tutorial to this is to simply share the file rather than having to download them and then upload them to your other account and so on. In order to do that, first of all, make sure you have downloaded the Google Drive app on your phone, and if you're on Windows or your computer, then you can go to drive.google.com. I repeat again, drive.google.com. but in my application I will simply open the app. Once you open the Google Drive app, let's say that I'm logged into my old account where I want to actually share the files from or to transfer my files from to my other account. Let's say this is simply a file or a folder which I want to share to my other account or to transfer it to my other account. You can see all of the photos and backgrounds in there, and all you have to do is to simply tap on the plus button which you see at the bottom right corner of the screen. As you do that, you'll be able to see a list of all these options, but you can see we don't have the option to share it. In order to do that, tap on the three dots on the top right corner, and as you do that, you'll find the option which says share. Go ahead and then tap on it. As you tap on the share button, right over here you have to enter the email address of the Google account to which you want to transfer. So go ahead and then simply enter the email address. Let's say, for example, once you tap the email address, you want to make sure that you have given them access as the editor. Editor will basically have all of the permissions rather than just viewer or commenter. And once you've done that, you could go ahead and tap on this button which you see at the bottom right corner, which is the DMs icon, and they will be able to successfully access those files. In order for them to access those files, they will need to simply tap on the share button right over here. Once they tap on the share button, it will show them a list of files which is actually shared to that particular people, and now they could go ahead and then simply open it, and then they could go ahead and then download it or simply download all of those and share them to their own account. And this is how you can move or transfer your files from one Google Drive account to another. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.